Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken teriyaki. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. For the sauce, prepare 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, 1/4 cup of sake, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Now, let's get the chicken ready and start on that delicious sauce. Begin by cutting your chicken thighs into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. In a medium bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar until the sugar dissolves completely. Stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger. This aromatic blend forms the heart of our teriyaki flavor. Set aside about 1/4 cup of this mixture for basting later. It's time to cook our chicken to perfection. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken pieces in a single layer, avoiding overcrowding. Sear them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Next, pour the remaining teriyaki sauce over the chicken. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Almost there. Let's finish our teriyaki with a perfect glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Slowly pour this slurry into the simmering sauce with the chicken, stirring constantly. Continue to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the sauce thickens to a beautiful, glossy consistency. Garnish generously with toasted sesame seeds. Serve your homemade chicken teriyaki immediately over steamed rice for a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.